Gopi, hi learners. Hope you guys are doing well.
Hi, Shilpa. Yes.
Just to know the learners' feedback for the session and if they are able to grasp the concepts well or any issue, they might facing in between. So we just came here to check on that. So
Sure.
hi Nitin, hi Sonali. Hope you guys are doing well.
Yes.
So yeah, we actually just came here for the testimonial and just to know your guys' feedback for the session. So let's wait for Nathan also. Till the time, I'll go with you, Sonali.
Sure.
So, Shonali, I just want you to have some few questions which I want you to answer frankly and openly. Just tell us the feedback, what you have feel since day one to till now in the Hack Now and with the Gopi's assistance also. So, at first, I would like to know, what motivate you to join the Hack Now training and be the part of Hack Now?
Motivation is really high because we are very beginner for the service now, and now we are practicing. So I know how to write the scripting, and because scripting language is really tough. But when I started practicing, it was seems like okay, that is also going on, that is also happened. So yeah, that is very helpful.
Perfect. And your overall experience in the Hack Now team, while giving you the assistance and providing everything as what you are looking for. So based on that, we just want to know your overall experience also. Till so far, if anything lacks from our hand, there where we guys are not able to provide you the assistance or any such thing that you wants to share with us.
No, Shilpa, we are good now. We are happy to work with Hack Now because yes, we on the good thing we are taking the classes on daily basis. And if there is some problem, like if we are not able to join and sometime Gopi will not join, then Shraddha already put the notes on WhatsApp, so that would also work. So yeah, that is good.
Perfect. And how was Gopi's tutoring? I hope you are liking Gopi's training and anything where you find his training not up to the mark or any such.
No. Gopi is a good trainer. There is no complaint with Gopi.
Okay, any appreciation that would you like to make to Gopi that Gopi is teaching his style is good and you're able to learn the concepts well?
Of course, yeah. Might be after this class and after this session, definitely I will appreciate and I will recommend him on LinkedIn as well. But as of now, he is a good trainer.
Perfect. Okay, so till so far, if you have to rate us over the scale of 1 to 10 in between, so how much rating you will give to us?
9.
Perfect. And any suggestion which would you like to give to us, which we need to follow and we need to work on?
No, we are good now. We are happy.
Perfect. And we also hope that after this training, you both guys will find a suitable job and shine in your career. That's all. We also wish you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, anytime. And if apart from this training, if anything you needed or you need required from our end, you have our number. You can call us and directly get in touch with us. Okay, we'll be happy to assist you anytime.
Of course, thank you for the help.
Anytime. And Gopi, for your help also. We're just getting very good feedbacks about your tutoring and about yourself also. So that's all we need when the trainer is sharing his insights with the candidates and candidates also satisfied with the training. Well, that's all we want, and where we think also that we have also done our job very well. Apart from Shonali, I hope you're not facing any issues while performing the assignments and regularly following up with the use cases or scenarios which Gopi is explaining.
If we are facing any problem, definitely we'll ask to Gopi, but as of now we are good now.
Perfect. If anything happens, please let us know. Okay,
of course. Yeah.
Perfect then. Sure. Thank you so much, Shonali. And Gopi, I think you can continue with your session. We wouldn't take much of your time. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you
for your time. Have a good day.
Yeah, bye.